Howdy everyone. We are going to be testing how slippery the new handles are in the Craftsman. We got the ground cable and this bracket here on these heads. We got to take off, put it in the parts washer, and we're going to put a set of gloves on. I'm going to go to the parts washer, get my hands all in the parts washer. And I figured it'd just be a good time to do it. See how it works. This is the worst case scenario. I mean, you can see that the my hands are pretty nasty and they're gripping nice. This is the 3/8 Craftsman ratchet, which has the smaller handle, and I was kind of questioning the fact on this one, how bad it'd be. Well, you still do drop it. Gravity still works. Now, I don't have the best hands in the world. I'll be the first person to tell you that. Put the bolts back in. Anytime you work on automotive and you have the opportunity to put the bolts back in while you're doing stuff, do it. That way you know where the bolts are at. And you know where they go when you're putting it back together. Ain't gotta be super tight, just put them back in. But they're gripping pretty good. My hand's not trying to slide off when I'm putting pressure all that much. Probably no more than it does in any handle ratchet. I see that if you go here where the metal is not, it's slippery. It's like any other ratchet, it's slippery. And the ends are real slippery. But where they got these little traction grips in here, it makes it a hell of a lot better. But this is going to go in the parts washer. And I'll get my gloves off, turn the camera off. I personally think that was the best way to check them out. I know with the other Craftsman ratchets I had, there was no way I could have done that at all. Later, folks. Have a great day.